What's up, everybody? How are you doing? Today we're actually going to release this video. I wanted to give the overall explanation. I was actually going to show it from the Reddit account, but I couldn't because we use a lot of not safe for work industry platforms, and I'm a not safe for work marketer. So I wanted to just show you in this example so you can understand how it even works. So when you're getting on the platform and you're looking at it in depth, that you can know how it works. And we are about to release right now for $150 a week. We will do this for you and post your link all across the platform for $150 a week. We're actually doing 50% off right now, so just do not miss out on being able to get your own Reddit person just taking care of this for you, because organic traffic makes a lot more money than a lot of other things. And we've been crushing it in our agency, and we've just now unloaded a big team of people to be able to do this. So let me show you how it works. So when people say, what are you going to do with Reddit? So we take an email and we take your copy and your photos, right? And then we take an email and we create multiple subreddit accounts, like just Reddit accounts, right? Which means this one has its own subreddit account where people will be at. Every single one of these will all be through one email. From there, every single day we log into these platforms and then we post in these other subreddit groups that has thousands and thousands of fans every single day. And based on how much you pay per week is the aggressiveness of what we do this. But we do this in person. There's no machine. There's no software. We do this every single week. So based off your aggression, how much you want us to be posting and how many groups will be based off your weekly price. But for right now, it's usually $300, but we're only doing $150 and we're only doing 20 spots, so don't miss out. But this is what we do. We take your content, we post it in here, and we use this subreddit and we post it across all of these platforms. Then we wait a while, we take the subreddit and we post it across all these platforms again. And we do it all day long, right? Like how much hours or time it takes to do this, to get all the subreddits with you posted in all these groups. And then we take all the time to respond and market and do something. Sometimes we put out videos. Sometimes we leak stuff, like purposely to actually grow your fan base to the Reddit people, being like, oh, this is leaked content. Come get free subscription here, which drives all kind of traffic. We do those deals for you, but we will do every single initial posting. You will also get weekly updates on how much they're growing in karma, right? The karma comes from the interactive of the actual platforms of Reddit, getting these groups, responding to people, giving people upvotes, being part active, which you really need to get more fans. It usually takes around 3 to 4 months for our fan bases to be crushing on there, because you got to build up a lot of karma, which gives you more groups to be able to post in, which allows you to get bigger and bigger in the network. This is how we do Reddit marketing. And like I said, we only have 20 spots left. If you're trying to figure out how to do Reddit, this is how you do it. You get an email, you start a Reddit, then you have to find all the sub accounts. We have like 50 or 60 sub accounts that we have where people in there, and you post in the group and you create your own subreddits with different emails, or not different emails, but different passwords and usernames. And you post in these other groups and you interact and you gain karma. The more karma you get, the more subreddits you're able to get into. That's how it works. That's how you work as an adult creator or anybody in the OnlyFans space on Reddit. You literally start a Reddit, you create a sub where you can have as many users you want. It's just very time consuming. So that's usually the problem, is somebody doesn't want to spend the time. It's very time consuming, and me and my team can take care of that for you. And if you're trying to figure out how to do it, this is how you do it. Every single day, you start yourself a Reddit, have a multiple Reddit groups. You go in there, you find these subreddit groups, and you post in these subreddit groups. If you're trying to do it yourself and you're trying to get these subreddit groups, like, yo, I'm going to do it myself, that's totally fine too. You can go to Marketing with Dom, and you can join the creator membership, and we will give you all the Reddits, even our subreddits that we haven't built have thousands and thousands of people in there as well. You can run it and work it yourself, and we teach you how to do that. But if you want us to do it, it's $150 a week right now. So if you're watching this video, it could be late, it could be too gone, it could already be gone. We have 20 spots open. You can go into one of our Discords or click the link down below, and it will tell you where to go, and we can get you started by building your own Reddit marketing so you can start getting more fans every single month across your platform. It only gets bigger and greater too. The more you actually work the platforms, the more karma you got, the more you do it. So this is how you work Reddit. I hope you have a blessed, wonderful day. And guess what? Make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm giving the best info, because I think people aren't tapping in this space. We about to tap in. All right, let's go.